Love your hair a rainbow. From the beautiful queen that you can be becoming. You can look in the palm and see the storm coming. Read the book of my life and say I'm overcoming. Love your hair a rainbow.